Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can cancel transaction on Scotiabank. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead, open up your Scotia Mobile Banking app on your phone, and right afterwards simply sign in with your credentials. Once you have done so, your home page is gonna look like this, and in the bottom section as highlighted you're gonna find this option of move money. Go ahead, tap on it. Then afterwards you're gonna find this kind of interface. In the section you're gonna find the highlighted option called Interac e-transfer. Again, go ahead, tap on it. And from this section again you're gonna find this option of Interac e-transfer. Go ahead, tap on it. Now then you're gonna find plenty of options given, which is send and request. You gotta choose this option of manage on top right corner, and you will find the list of transactions that you have done. You're simply gonna go ahead, choose the one you would like to cancel, and then you're gonna get the details regarding it. You can see the regarding of a transaction. Go ahead, tap on this option of cancel this transfer given in the bottom section. Then you're gonna simply choose the account where you would like it to be deposited. Simply tap on this drop down icon, choose your account. Once you have chosen, go ahead, simply slide this arrow to your right side, and there we go. You can see your money has been deposited back. You're gonna find your details, and now tap on finish and you're good to go. So that is simply the way. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.